Okay, moving on to question 4. 45 of every 100 Canadians are overweight. So we have the overweight over the total is 45 over 100. So that's the proportion, the ratio. If Canada has approximately 35 million people, how many of them are overweight? So we'll let X be the amount of people that are overweight. And in total, we have 35 million people. So now what we can do is we can just cross multiply. I get 45 times 35 million equals X times 100. So we have 1575 million people equals to 100 times X. And then now we can just divide both sides by 100. We get X equals to 15.75 million. And that's the answer. So 15.75 million Canadians are overweight. Question 5. Alice's car traveled 132 km on 8 liters of gas. So the ratio that we have is km per liter of gas. This is 132 over 8. At this way, how many liters are needed to travel 320 km? So this is 320 km, and we don't know how many liters of gas are needed. And that's X. So now we can cross multiply. We have 132 times X, which is 132X, and then 320 times 8 is 2560. And we can divide both sides by 132. We get 19.4. So 19.4 liters of gasoline is needed. Question 6. If 5 gallons can of paint can cover 3750 feet square. So this is gallon of paint, and then can cover the area in feet square. That's 5 over 3750 must equal to how many gallons are needed. So that's what we're trying to find. Well, that's what we asked. To cover 30,000 feet square of area. Same idea, once we have the proportion, we cross multiply. We get 150,000 equals to 3750x, and then just divide both sides by 3750. So we need 40 gallons of paint is required. On average, 33 centimeters of snow melts down to 2.5 centimeters of water. So this is snow over water. That's the ratio here. That's 33 over 2.5. So how many water will 3 meters of snow? 3 meters of snow is 300 centimeters, right? So we have 33 times x equals to 300 times 2.5. So again, I have converted 3 meters into 300 centimeters. So we get 33x equals 750, and then just divide both sides by 33. we get 22.73 centimeter. So 22.7 centimeter of snow, of water. Question 8. Computer can download 2214 gigabyte in 54 seconds. So that's 2214 over 54. At this way, how long will it take to download 2542 gigabyte? And we don't know the time. The time is in seconds. So we cross multiply again. We have 2214x equals 137,268. And then now we can divide both over 2214. So that's 62 seconds. Okay. I will do the next 5 in the next video. So I'll see you soon.